Visit now, our website marink.com for more fantastic information.
Attitude, laundry detergent, Wildflowers, 33.8 fluid ounces, 1 liter. Product overview description. Worry-free ingredients, tested by independent laboratory 3x concentrated 35 loads hypoallergenic EcoLogo, product certified for reduced environmental impact CO2 neutral cruelty-free and vegan formulated for high efficiency and standard machines septic tank safe biodegradable. We love putting our heads together to create powerful, natural, vegan and sustainable products. Made only with worry-free ingredients, we hope you'll enjoy them as much as we do. Suggested use. See table for dosing instructions. For tough stains, pour a small quantity directly on stain and rub or allow soaking before washing. Always check labels for special instructions. Formulated for cold water. 5 kg, load weight, soil level. Light heavy. Water hardness soft 15 ml 28 ml. Medium 28 ml 43 ml. Hard 43 ml 60 ml plus. Other ingredients. 5% to 15% vegetable anionic surfactants, sodium cocoa sulfate, 5% to 15% vegetable non-ionic surfactants, lauryl glucoside. Contains also, water, sodium citrate, sodium gluconate, glycerin, methyl dihydrojasminate, jasmine, amyl salicylate, floral. Warnings. Keep out of reach of children. Disclaimer. While iHerb strives to ensure the accuracy of its product images and information, some manufacturing changes to packaging and/or ingredients may be pending update on our site. Although items may occasionally ship with alternate packaging, freshness is always guaranteed. We recommend that you read labels, warnings and directions of all products before use and not rely solely on the information provided by iHerb.